So the channel just hit over 100 subscribers, and I think we should celebrate. And luckily, I think I know just the thing. This is my favorite thing Supreme has dropped this 2020 Fall/Winter collection. And you may be asking, why would this be anyone's favorite thing right now? It's still available on the site. And my answer is quite simple really. It's because it's 100 stickers. I've been making videos on YouTube for a really long time. I think this is my 4th or 5th account at this point, and none of them have ever been able to make it past 100 subscribers. And now that I've finally found something that people are passionate about and that I enjoy, I'm really excited to see where we're headed. See, 100 doesn't sound like a lot, but if you had 100 of your friends show up to your house, that'd be so many people. So I'm gonna try to visually represent what it looks like to have 100 of these stickers. Yeah, that is a lot of Supreme for only $12. So let's get to my point. One of these stickers may seem pretty insignificant, but when they're backed by 99 other stickers, you can make a pretty amazing visual splash with them. Like, you can probably cover an entire laptop case, you can probably cover a whole guitar case if you bought a couple, but that's beside the point. The possibilities are endless. So let's circle back to this idea of being 1 out of 100. When you first subscribed to this channel, knowingly or unknowingly, we were building a community of like-minded people together. And that's a really powerful thing. And as a representation of that, I want to send each and every one of you one of these Supreme stickers. And all you have to do to make sure you get one of these is 1. Leave a like on this video, 2. Make sure you're subscribed, and 3. Head over to my Instagram account and tag 2 friends on this post right here. This is a QR code that links you to a place where you can register to vote. And just like these stickers here, you may feel like your one vote doesn't matter, but we have to do this together, and if one of us doesn't do it, it'll be 1 less, it'll be 99 instead of 100. But in the words of the late and great Billy Mays, but wait, there's more. For the first 15 people that repost that post and tags me in it, in addition to me sending you the Supreme sticker, I'll be sending you 3 of these custom-made 100 club stickers that I made myself. To keep everything fair, I'm gonna end the giveaway on October 5th, which is also the last day you can register online to vote. I will then randomly select the remaining 85 people and send you a DM on Instagram, so make sure you're following me so I can easily message you. I really look forward to seeing how this all goes and if we even get enough submissions, but either way, thank you so much for joining this community that I'm building, and yeah, you're the best. Bye.